Do you want to be part of an innovative cultural heritage project? Would you like to participate in a collaborative international digital collection? The ReInHerit project is calling for museums and cultural institutions across Europe to contribute to a growing digital collection of cultural heritage objects. Submitting only takes 3 easy steps. Step 1. Choose an object. Choose an object from your institution's collection. Ideally, the object should fit into one or more of the 3 thematic areas: conflicts, craftsmanship, or identities. Step 2. Gather the data. Gather the data about your object. You will need a representative good quality photograph of your object, a short descriptive text, as well as some basic information, such as, for example, the object's dimensions and the time of origin. If your object is 3-dimensional, adding a digital 3D object to your contribution will be ideal. You can find out more about 3D objects and how to create them with low-threshold technologies in this webinar on the ReInHerit Digital Hub. Step 3. Fill out the contribution form. Go to collection.reinherit-hub.eu/contribute and click the button on the bottom of the page. There you will find the submission form for the digital collection. You can also find the form on the ReInHerit Digital Hub and in the ReInHerit Digital Exhibitions. Fill out the form and make sure to provide all the required information in the correct formats. If you're contributing a 3D object, publish it through a service like Sketchfab and provide the link to the object in the form. Don't forget to define your usage rights preferences of your object on Sketchfab. To submit your object photo, upload it to a sharing platform like WeTransfer, Dropbox, or similar, and provide the respective link in the form. Once you submit your form, the ReInHerit team will review your submission. If the information is complete, your object will be added to the digital collection and become a valuable contribution to a growing collection of digital cultural heritage objects. Need more information? You can find extensive resources and further information on the project as well as the digital collection and the submission process on the ReInHerit Digital Hub. Contribute today and become part of ReInHerit.